Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, I am so excited. I'm going to be unboxing the new Galaxy collection from Elf Beads. There are so many gorgeous beads in this release. They are so magical and they definitely have that universe galaxy vibe to them. I'm very excited to share it with you. I'm going to share what Elf Beads has to say about this release. Take a trip through the cosmos and admire the beauty of distant worlds with the Elf Beads Galaxy collection. Their light is billion years away. They seem to be small, but they're gigantic, nearly impossible to comprehend, but we are all made of tiny particles of stardust. Billions of stars are floating in the universe. Like us, each has its personality and unique traits and shines till the last day of life. We are here to observe the light, admire, dream, analyze, or sometimes reach the sky and catch a falling star. Stars are an endless source of inspiration. Every night we are stunned and hypnotized by the magnificent beauty of the sky. Dream big and always remember, our life is a precious gift and only a flash of light in the endless universe. We are all stars on Earth. A special thank you to Elf Beads for gifting me these beads to review and style with, and also a huge thank you to this community, as I wouldn't have these opportunities without each and every one of you, so thank you so much. Now, if you're ready, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage, and let's zoom in on each of these beads. Let's start with the silver beads. I have 3 of them to share with you, and they are beautiful. Each one has so much detail. The first one, starting on the left, is called Astronauts, and as you can see, it has little astronauts inside it. It is so cute. Up next is Magellanic Clouds. It is a dream. It is a beautiful barrel-shaped bead, and then the last one is called Andromeda Galaxy. Each one has so much detail. I love the little hidden stars like going throughout the Milky Way. It's so gorgeous. Now let's move into some glass beads. There's so many gorgeous glass beads. I decided to organize these by color, so that's kind of the order I'm going to share them with you. So to start off, we're going to move into the cosmic glass beads first. So there's 2 of them. We have the Cosmic Wonderland World Fractal, which is on the left. And then we also have the Cosmic Wonderland Fractal right on the right of it. And these, like, if you look, they're just gorgeous. Up next, we have the Space Bubbles World Fractal. And then we also have the Space Bubbles Fractal. I love that they have like the Fractal World version and then like the smaller glass bead. We also have the Dream Stargaze World Fractal. Can you see those little tiny stars hidden in there? It literally looks like you're like in the galaxy staring at these gigantic stars. It's gorgeous. One of my favorites, of course, is the Galaxy Dragon. I love Elf Beads dragons, and I also love their Flowertwig beads. And this one is the Galaxy Flowertwig. And if you look at it, you can, like, it literally looks like you're up in the universe somewhere. It is just gorgeous. Now, moving along, I'm going to share with you some more kind of deeper blues, more vibrant blue colored glass beads. And they all have the world version and the regular version. So they're really gorgeous to like design with. Up first, we have the Blue Galaxy Fractal, and the design of this is so cool, especially like you'll see in a little bit when it moves. It just catches the light in that deeper, darker blue, like kind of the black almost. It looks so neat. This one is the Blue Galaxy World Fractal that you're seeing. Now, moving along, we have the Ocean Storm Galaxy World Fractal. How gorgeous, right? Like so pretty. And then beside it is also the Ocean Storm Galaxy Fractal. And these are just gorgeous. The dimension on these are so beautiful, kind of like a purpley blue. Next, we have the Pleiades beads. So we have the Pleiades Blue World, and oh, it's such a pretty, happy blue color. It's just gorgeous. And we also have the Pleiades Reflections, which pairs beautifully with it. These are so gorgeous, and I'm very excited to design with them. I cannot wait. Now let's move to the next set. These ones were more of like kind of a purpley, blue colored glass beads, and they're stunning. First up, we have the Milky Way beads. So we have the Milky Way Galaxy beside the Milky Way Galaxy Fractal, and they look like magic. Like you can see there's purples and a little bit of pink and gold, and just, oh, they're so pretty. We also have the Nebula Golddust, and beside it we have the Nebula Golddust World. I am in love with these. They're kind of like a lavender goldish blue color, and I'm very excited to design with these. I cannot wait. Up next are 3 glass beads. The first one is called Violet Cosmic Stars. It is on the left. We have the Nebula Star Monroe. And then we also have the Galaxy Blues Monroe Fractal at the end. And can you see the little tiny star crystal? Like, oh my gosh, they put that on a glass bead. It is amazing. That looks so tricky. I don't even know how they did that. It is beautiful. Next, we're going to move into more of the pink, fuchsia, orangey, yellow, red, with a little bit of purple beads, and they're gorgeous. So first we have the red giant beads. So there's the red giant Galaxy Fractal. It is so cool. Again, like I love like the mixture of colors to it. It's so cool. There's also the red giant Galaxy World Fractal beside it. The color, like it reminds me of a sunset too. Like it's just gorgeous. We also have the Mystic Red. So we have the Mystic Red Galaxy Fractal, as well as the Mystic Red Galaxy World Fractal. And did you see the swirls? They complement each other so well. And then we also have the Sunflower Golddust Galaxy World Fractal, as well as the Sunflower Golddust Galaxy Fractal. And I'm in love with these. I love the pop of yellow. It is so cheerful. And then the detail inside it is stunning. There's also the Galaxy Star Fractal, which matches the other glass bead we saw earlier. And can you see those little star, like cubic zirconias inside there? It is amazing. They're so gorgeous and they sparkle and they catch the light so beautifully. Next are more kind of the icy, lighter blue kind of themed beads. The Star Aurora Starlight, which you're going to see on the far left, is so gorgeous. It is beautiful. It glows in the dark too. And can you see those little tiny stars? So talented to create that. Like, it is just gorgeous. There's also the Emerald Ring Galaxy. Oh my goodness, these colors are just, oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. I don't even think my video does it justice how gorgeous these are. We also have the Icy Clouds. So there is the Icy Galaxy Fractal. I mean, oh my goodness, I'm in love. It's like this pale blue and the yellow and the little white, and it catches the like different colors, like depending on what it's bouncing off of. So gorgeous. There's also the Icy Clouds Galaxy World Fractal to pair with it. They are just, they're so pretty. They make you think of clouds too, you know, when there's a sunrise, like different meaning for me, but I love them. Now we have the last set of glass beads to share with you, and these are all gorgeous too. There's Synergy, which is so gorgeous. Now I have the Elf Beads Petite Galaxy collection, and I'll show you that a little bit later. I can't wait to style these with my bracelet design. These are so gorgeous. They're just beautiful. Like the detail on the side are so pretty. We also have the Cosmic Eyes World and Cosmic Eyes. These like kind of make me think of aliens. They're so cool. I love the bubble detail up at the top, little dotted details along the side. They are just so cool and they're very unique. We also have two white dwarf beads. So there's the White Dwarf Galaxy World Fractal. And then we also have the White Dwarf Galaxy Fractal. They are pretty, like little pale bits of like yellow and creamy kind of notes to it. They're just stunning. And that concludes my overview of the Elf Beads Galaxy collection. It is so gorgeous. I am so excited to design with these beads. They are out of this world, literally, like so beautiful. And here's a quick look at the Elf Beads Petites I was talking about earlier. Cannot wait to style and stack some bracelets together with this collection. So pretty. I'd love to know what you guys think of this collection. Please let me know down below. Anyway, wishing you a magical, wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye for now and take care.